Do you want to turn off maps on Instagram? You can turn off location on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off Maps location sharing on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, go to your profile by tapping on your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. A new screen will appear with different options. Scroll down to the Who Can See Your Content section and tap on Story and Location. Here, you will see the story and location settings for Instagram. Tap on the location sharing option from here. A new screen will appear with Instagram Maps. At the top right of the screen, tap on the location settings icon. A pop-up screen will appear with different options. Here you will see Friends, Close Friends, Only These Friends, and No One. Select No One to completely hide your location from your friends on Instagram. Once selected, choose until you turn it back on from the pop-up. After you've done this, Instagram will no longer show your location to your friends.